Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here. Happy Tuesday, which follows Bloody Monday. Um, so we're still kind of waiting for whatever Congress is going to do. I always think it's kind of bad form to be waiting on politicians to come save the world. So we're not doing that. I'm just looking for stocks that I think are working kind of irrespective of everything that's going on, because most of them really aren't, as I'm sure you know. They just absolutely just blow. So many charts are broken. So I'm going through my scans, my lists. I have a lot of lists of different stocks with different configurations. And one of them, one stock that keeps popping up on a lot of them is ZTO Express. And you can see why. Now, the stock is trending really nicely along the 50-day moving average. I got to get rid of this. That was for something else. It's trending really, really nicely right along the 50-day moving average. And this is a pretty strong uptrend. It's extremely volatile. But the volatility can actually favor you, because if you catch it at the right time, you can make more money in a very short period of time than you would on a stock that is not. You can make a lot more money in a short period of time than you could if the stock was not so volatile. So the point is, you got to just kind of catch it right. And so if you're able to catch this right here at the low, that's where you want to be a buyer. And that's basically right where we are. So you can be buying this stock right here and keep a stop just a little bit below here. And you could wind up having a really, really nice trade in a fairly short period of time. So, okay, so guess what? I have to go to a webinar like right now that Bridget Brown is teaching on options, and so I'm kind of cutting this short, but here's your trade right here. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you next time.